Welcome to TrueVine Today.
Bienvenido, mi amigos de canal de Bajuco Verdadero.
Today we're raising the 6x12x56 foot long beam. But before we did, I want to talk about my friend, the man who cut it. For those of you who don't know, this is Luis Pacheco Hernandez, my amigo, my partner in the business, and an amazing, amazing man. A skilled chainsaw artist for sure. Luis es un maestro de motosierra. Sabes cómo corta tablas, perfecto, derecho y exacto. Gracias, Luis. Gracias. Gracias por checar este video. Este es como construcción una fuerza bodega de cerradero por Louisiana. Hasta luego. After getting them down and loading them up on the longest trailer we had at the time, we very carefully, right at daylight, brought them home. And we stored them in my garage for a year or so. Then we moved them when we worked on the garage back to the barn. They have been there ever since. So hidden here deep inside the recesses of the lumber shed are some ancient timbers. Luis Pacheco loblolly pine, 6" by 12". That will be our main back beam. Hey everybody, just wanted to thank y'all so very much for watching. That's awesome. I'm glad you're here, but it doesn't help until you start sharing it. We got to grow our subscribers. So share it on Facebook, send it to your friends, share it on social media. Please click like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and that helps it grow so very much and can help us continue to do amazing things like this and share all of it with you. Adios from TrueVine. Cannot wait to show you what we do tomorrow.